Okay, so what have we been up to? I've managed to fathom out how to get the sound to play. So I've managed to be able to do it to play a helicopter sound. Very, very basic and actually quite complicated to fathom out how to do it, because I kept finding information how it was done in C but not in C++, which is slightly different. Anyhow, all I have had to do is I've added these items here at the top of my main file. That then comes into here where we add these to there, which is getting the wave path, etc. One of the bits that really confused me was this piece here. We've got to add that into our main initiate for initializing the SDL. Took me a while to fathom out that was missing, and that was why I couldn't get it to work. And then we come down, and here we load the wave file, the helicopter file. This then sets all the bits of information up that are needed to run it, and if it doesn't, then we give an error message out. We free that because we're done with it at that point, apparently. Having said that, we free it again later, but I'm not quite sure. Some of this stuff I don't quite understand as well as I should do. Then we need this here, which I assume streams the sound file to the audio system, and again, if it doesn't, we get an error and it all falls apart. This, I'm not 100% sure why that's needed. I did try to find out what this was doing, and it doesn't give you that clearer doesn't give that clearer information as to what this is actually doing, other than this bit here where it seems like it's got something to do with telling it to play. I've still got to do a lot of work on that. That's yeah, that's work in progress. Into the app iterate again, all we need to supply in here is this piece here, and that will play the sound. And again, it looked like we needed to clean it up again at the bottom, free the wave data, and if we click the big green button, which is my favourite button, we get a helicopter sound. I've literally just started to work on collision, so the little man knows when he's on or off that block, and that's also working. Let's shut that down. I'll compete with that. Anyhow, I found this information was this was quite easy. This was on the SDL site. This was in one of their examples. Like I say, a little bit difficult because it was shown as shown differently on there, and I've had to jiggle it about a tiny little bit to try to make it run and work in here. Anyhow, thanks for watching if you did.